Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I love making everything that has to do with junk journals. If this is something you enjoy too, please subscribe. Speaking of subscribers, I'm having a 500 subscriber giveaway. And a shout out goes to Sybil, Janice, Michelle, Lori, Lynn, Debbie, Susan, Dixie, Stacy, Robin, and Patricia. I appreciate each and every one of you. So today what I'd like to work on are some miniature clusters. And the miniature clusters are going to be used in the journal that I'm going to give away. I noticed that I needed some things that were tiny. Now I went ahead and I took the time and I inked around these. So they're all inked, and we just need to see how we want to put them together. So, of course, my glue is all goobered up. Alrighty. What would be a video without glue that has goobers on it? Let's see here how we want to put this together. We're going to make a few of these and just see how it goes. Like I said, they're for the journal for the giveaway, and I was working on it today, and I realized I need some smaller clusters. So that's what we're going to do. Smaller clusters today. Maybe something like that. Yeah, over a little more. There we go. Now I took a button and I left a bunch of the floss, the embroidery floss. I tied it in there, made a knot on the other side. And then I just separated all the streamers of the floss, and I thought we could add that because it picks up the red color of this correspondence order is what it says it is. It's just a replica of an older one. We're just going to kind of glob this on. Was my thought. Get that globbed on. And then maybe we can put this over here and put this in the middle of that. So let's do this. I hope each and every one of you is doing well, and if not, I hope everything changes around for you very, very quickly. I think these are going to be adorable. They're just small snippets, not any bigger than 2 inches across, just small ones. Isn't that cute? All right, let's go ahead and make us another one. Let's do one that's maybe more up and down. So let's see here. Let's go ahead and maybe put this doily, which has been, whoa, coffee dyed. Let's go ahead and glue this maybe on like this. This will be put on a page, so it doesn't have to be totally all glued, just enough to hold together, and that's why I'm using this liquid glue. I want to make sure it really sticks together. It doesn't come apart. I sometimes am concerned about the glue stick. I sometimes think it might come apart, and I think I'd like to lay this on top, but I'm not sure exactly. Over to the side, maybe this way. Oh, let's do it this way. I'm not sure, but we're going to try something. Get this. Maybe let's lay it more like, whoa, more like that. just softens it a little. And then we have a numeral 2 that's rather bold. We can put it right there. Oh, I like that cluster as well. I sure do. That's going to look lovely. All right, let's grab another one. Let's do one with maybe some flowers and lace. Let's see how we might want to put this one together. Look, that even says flowers right there. That word says flowers. That's cute. We better show that. That's pretty ironic there. All right, let's lay a little bit of glue on here and put it on the lace like that. So it's actually on the lace. I'm going to wipe this lace up off here so I don't get it on the other clusters and cause a problem. Okay, let's lay this back down. And let's go ahead and put the flowers. Let's see, we're going to put maybe like that. Let's go put this on here, the glue. And I like a little bit of that colored card stock to manila folder actually to show a little bit at the top. And then let's put these flowers. It's ironic that that actually says flowers on there. We could put this right here. I'm liking that a lot. Now, are we going to put the bow and the button there and maybe put this little, pick it up, Kathy. Oh my goodness. Okay, maybe we have to pick it up this way. Maybe right, no, I don't like that. Pick it up like this. I don't really like that on top. I like it on the bottom, but I don't want this on the bottom too. I don't want it like that. I don't want it pointing like that. So, we're going to have something else. So let's put this. I know we want this. Glue is being gluey. I know we want that. Let's see. I've got a few more things over here on the side. Let me bring them in to view. And we can see maybe what we can do here. I don't know. I thought that little hand was going to work. Here's something blue. Nope, don't like any of that. Can we cut that word key? Make it a key? Zone, exposure. Oh, decisions, decisions. What happens? We put a ticket maybe here. Why would we put a ticket there? I don't know. We could put some words underneath. Okay, that's what we need to do. We need to put some words. I don't want that says. I don't want to say what that says. How about right like that? Yes, I like that much better. Okay, I've got a glob here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glob this on because it came out. I don't want to turn it back right side up or it's going to take a while to come on out again, and it was flowing so well. I'll put it right down there to keep it warm because that's why it comes out so nicely. And let's just ink this up a little bit. That is very, very sweet. I like that. All right, let's make another one. Let's make one that has these kind of things in it. Let's push this out of the way so we can see what we're doing. And let's put this one like this and make it a longer one. Instead of a wider one, we're going to make it a longer one. We're going to put the glue right on the manila folder that I tea-dyed, and put this right on there. Now, the question is, do we want, that glue keeps coming out, do we want to put the flowers on the word part and leave this part open, or do we want to put it on this part and leave that open, or possibly put it in the middle? I'm thinking I kind of like it like this. What do you guys think? And then I was thinking that maybe we can put this under here like that. So let's go ahead and glue this geranium. That's what this is. It's a geranium. Let's glue this geranium down on here like this. I'm going to turn it upside down so that I can get this glued on. Glue it on. I think that's how it was. Yes, we turned it upside down like that. I like that. Y'all like that? That looks pretty. Now maybe we can put our 6 up here and our button down here. That looks nice. I did go ahead and put the threads in the button. I just use embroidery thread, and I tied a knot in it. I just like how it looks. That's really cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's make another one. Oh, let's use a ticket. Let's use a ticket. I've got glue on my table. Okay, a ticket and some lace. This is seam binding that I got at Walmart, and I just tea-dyed it this afternoon after I got home, because we had to go to Walmart today, and I always go down the sewing aisle to see what kind of things they have gotten in stock. What new things they've gotten in stock. And I picked up some seam binding. They didn't have a whole lot today, but I hadn't seen that wider lace seam binding. It was a different Walmart than we usually go to. I had to go get the this isn't coming together very well. I had to go get the tags for our vehicles, and that's in a different part of town that I normally venture to, you know, with the Walmart and all. Oh, I like it crooked like that. Okay, so it was a different Walmart. You know, sometimes when you go to a different Walmart, you can find different things. People are buying different things. Now I'm going to turn this upside down, and I'm going to put the glue on the ticket and then the glue on the back. We are fixing it to a journal page, so I think I like it down there like that. I like this material. There's something about this material I really like. Okay, I'm going to have to stick it upside down because it's got those fibers from the glue and it's keeping me from... All right, where is this going to go? At the top? Is that what we said? Whoa, I hope that doesn't fall. Maybe like that. There's that person's finger. Doesn't really go with that, does it? No, I don't mind that at all, just the way it is. What do you guys think? Kind of like it, but then again, it's like, I don't know. Does it need something else? Why do I think that? I have no idea why I think that. Guess we're going to put it crooked like that. Nope, don't like that. Nope, don't like that. Nope, don't like that. No, don't think I want any tissue. This tissue has some writing on it. It's just on my table. Oh, for heaven's sakes. Heaven's sakes. What do you think of that underneath? No, not really. Maybe it needs a little bit of a book page. It might need a little bit of a book page. That's not bad. Oh, okay. How about here? I don't want to get too big. The whole deal is to make them smaller. Make it smaller. My glue is glooping out. You see it? That's glooping out. It's going to drip. I better wipe it off. Because I can't make a decision right now. Why is that? I don't know. Eastern Woodlands. No, too big. Okay, Cathy. You are just taking way too much time. Oh, I don't like it when this happens. I don't like taking too much time, but nothing's really doing it for me. We can just set that aside and do one more. Maybe it'll come to us. Hey, what about this? Hey, how about that? Let's put that on there. Okay, and then we can see how many we've made, and that way we won't make a really long video. Because they really, really are cute, aren't they, guys? I so enjoy you guys crafting with me. Sorry, it's taken me a moment. I wanted to put them on this piece of wood. I think it would look nice on this piece of wood. And I thought you could see them better this way. You could see what we have made for the journal that's in the giveaway. That is the giveaway. It's what is going to be given away. Oh, goodness. Let me get it in here. Oh, look, you guys. They turned out so cute. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.